Hello dear friend, if you have the studio version of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to use IntelliScript dear friend. By using IntelliScript, you can save a lots of time while editing. This is the really amazing features. At first I couldn't understand the importance of these features, but recently I researched a lot and now I came to conclusion this is the really game changing features. This will save your lots of time dear friend. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use IntelliScript. We will go through all the settings, all the parameters. All parts are very important in this video. Don't miss any part of the video. Once you listen this video without missing any part of the video, at the end of this tutorial video, you will be able to use IntelliScript for your professional video editing dear friend. This is the AI feature. It saves a tons of time when you have complex video editing, long tutorial video or any long documentary video etc. This is really a game changing feature. You don't need to do anything. You have to create a script, transcribe the script inside the DaVinci Resolve. Thereafter, in the text format, you have to just trim the bad parts of the video which you want to remove from your video and then export to the DaVinci Resolve and we use it. It's automatically. You don't need to trim the whole long video on your timeline inside the DaVinci Resolve. So this is the really a master class for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Without wasting time, let's jump into our computer to use IntelliScript features inside the new version of DaVinci Resolve here. Hello dear friend, we are now inside DaVinci Resolve here and just come to any clip, just import clip. I have already imported clip here and I just click on this clip, right click on your mouse and come here. You see AI tools here. In AI tools, just transcribe your clip first. Here you can see just transcribe and now you can see we have transcribed the whole clip here. Now come here, you can see here this icon here, just click here to import. Now I want to import, I want to just name here obvious Intelli. I want to save on desktop. You can save anywhere. You can assign the location here, path here. I will assign the path of desktop here. Just click here. Okay, now we want to save and remember that this transcribed file is saved in txt. Here you can see txt format. Okay, now save. Okay, now we can close here. So now we come to our desktop here. In desktop here you can see here we have file here. Just we shift here and now you can open in any notepad etc. Okay, I want to open in notepad. And now you can see here we have a script, the whole script. Now we can actually trim. For example, we don't need some part of the sentence, we can directly trim. It's very useful when you have long tutorial video or documentary video like me. If you don't use these features, you have to trim on timeline. It's very good here. You can see now we can trim. For example, time code, we don't need time code. IntelliScript is so intelligent, it will just read your sentence and trim your video. For example, I want to just show you for demo. I want to trim this long sentence here. You see this. I don't want to keep this part. We can read here and we can delete some part. I want to delete this part. Okay, here. Okay, you can see we have deleted this part. And now we have only this part here. In the middle of sentence, I want to delete this part here. You can see here. This part I don't want to keep. Okay, now we have deleted this part too. Now we come here, want to delete this part. Now you can see here, I want to delete in the middle of sentences. I don't need some part of this sentence. For example, now let's come here. You see this sentence. I want to delete this because I automatically spoke this. I don't need in the video. So I will delete. Now you can see we have deleted this part. Now we come here, this part. I have deleted this part here. Time code you can keep, no problem. But I have deleted all this time code here. Okay, now you can see I want to keep only this part. I want to delete this in the middle of sentence here. You can see here. Now we have prepared our script here. Now we can save here. Okay, now Control S. Okay, we have saved the file and just we closed. Now we come to DaVinci Resolve here. We have this clip. We have transcribed this clip and we have edited. We have removed some parts of the video which we don't need. Now right click on the clip and now you come here. You see here AI. In AI, just click here. You see here audio transcription. We don't need. We need this here. You can see here. Create new timeline using IntelliScript. Actually, this is the features, AI feature. So we just click here, and now you have to select the clip. So we have clip on our desktop here. You can see here, this is our clip, OBS Intelli. We just select this clip and open here. Now you can see here. Now you can see automatically DaVinci Resolve has trimmed all the bad part which we have trimmed in text file, and it has provided me the clip, and we don't need to trim the whole video on the timeline. So you can see this is actually the magic of this IntelliScript. Hello dear friend, if this video is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel dear friend. I am working hard, I am very much tired, demotivated dear friend. This year we have to achieve 1,000 subscribers. It's a very necessary for me to grow on YouTube dear friend. Spread this channel to the wider audiences on YouTube so that this video can be useful to your friends, and you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial may be very useful to you, and you can visit our playlist there. The whole playlist of DaVinci Resolve tutorial is available. Go and learn and see and write me in the comment box. Without wasting time, now let's see this feature. So you can see here we have trimmed the bad part of the video. We have several cuts. We cut here, and this part. You can see here we have cut this part here. Now let's see here. We deleted the part here. If this it has so smartly trimmed our clips in several parts here where we have deleted in our notepad, and you can open even notepad here where we have a file here. Open with notepad. Now open DaVinci Resolve here. Now you can listen one by one. It's so perfectly working that I am so much amazed. Here you see one by one. I tried a lots of clips and it's really work. If you want to work on the long project, take the project and use this method of IntelliScript and trim the bad parts all, and then export to IntelliScript. Create timeline using IntelliScript, and you will get this result very soon. I don't need to do anything, and so fast I have edited my video here. You can see here all everywhere is a trim here. Customize appearance in a style we can. Okay dear friend, come here anytime. You can see here audio transcribe from here, and here just click here, create new timeline using IntelliScript. Write me in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want. How is your experience about this IntelliScript? I see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.